Four families came together and bought a 3-acre parcel of land right in the heart of the village of Shelburne Falls, Massachusetts, overlooking the Deerfield River. You know, for someone who designed and built our own house, it was remarkably easy to work with the folks at Shelter Kit. They were very responsive, incredibly collaborative and collegial in their approach to working with the clients.
I literally downloaded some of the floor plans from the Shelter Kit website as a starting point. So there were a few months when it was basically me just blowing up the floor plans, tracing, starting over again, iteratively, getting it more and more precise. At a certain point, it was just time to send the drawings to Len Faria, and he was able to put it all in his big computer model, as I think of it, and help us figure out whether it was doable.
And it was all very, pardon the pun, constructive and creative as well. It was very stimulating.
It was also, just the right level of technical. It just sort of increased our confidence that we can actually do this.
Shelter Kit is a godsend to people who want to be involved in the creation of their own home. The community from the beginning had a commitment to energy efficient design. The Shelter Kit approach lends itself to almost limitless adaptation in terms of building in energy efficiency.
Our goal was to make it as energy efficient as possible. Len, he really got that, and he wanted to make sure that we got the right lumber and we got the right kind of sheathing. We also dove into learning all about accessibility and how to design a house so that it's really accessible. That process continues because we're still doing the landscaping to make sure that, probably have a ramp coming up to the front door.
Boy, the kit was spot on in terms of the dimensions. We never had to worry about having cut something a little too long, a little too short, an enormous savings in labor. One of my enduring memories is the kids in the community being up there on the deck, laying out the sections of wall and then lifting them up and putting them into place. So there's that kind of deep sense of community that got sort of factored in and built into these projects.
Sometimes we will just lie in bed in the morning and look up at the ceiling and all of the cool angles. We feel very, very proud